Can the clippings I collected from my lawn be used for mulch or in my compost pile? What if I spray my lawn? And this is Mary.
If you spray your lawn with any kind of chemical,
Okay.
and then those clipping in there, you need to make sure you make at least 3 cuttings on there before you start, clipping it, especially in your compost pile. Especially don't use that compost pile in your vegetable garden. You need to make sure you make at least 3 cuttings on there before you do that. Then all the chemical things should be gone. Then make sure you have that compost pile to heat up to a certain temperature in there to try to kill all the stuff out of there in there. But if you don't use those clippings in your vegetable garden, do those 3 cuttings.
Right,
Do those 3 cuttings on there before you start doing that. And make sure you heat it up there, and how you make it heat up, you have to turn that. It'll cost you a little work to do that. You have to turn that compost pile in there. So, and I did this compost pile. You turn it and get it to heat up in there, and that'll kill a lot of those spores and things in there, all of that in there. So in there.
Right.
But that 3 cuttings is the most important thing, though.
Okay, the 3 cuttings. Right.
But it can be used on good organic material.
Okay, so it can be used as a mulch and it can be used in the compost pile.
Yeah. When you have 3 cuttings on there, make sure you get all the chemicals out of there.
Okay, yeah, just make sure you keep it turned like you mentioned.
Oh, yeah.
And it has to be aerated and watered.
Water, yeah.
As well, right, so it can heat up. And we're talking 120 to about 140, 50 degrees.
Yes, you gotta get hot in there. You gotta get hot.
We hope you loved the video. We would love for you to ask more questions. Be sure to leave those questions in your comments.